honey garlic chicken thigh skewers. Honey garlic chicken thighs in indoor grill. It's gonna take 20 minutes of your time. Very easy recipe to do. Delicious to the taste. It's gonna have a delicious glaze of honey on it. Honey garlic chicken thighs. 2.5 pounds of the chicken thighs. These are boneless. Take it out from the packet. Give it a good rinse. These are boneless, delicious thighs. Chicken thighs. Let's add them in a bowl first. 5 tablespoons of the vinegar. 2 tablespoons of the salt. So here you go. Now just rinse it with some fresh water. And our chicken thighs are perfectly clean. The thighs are clean. Let's marinate these guys. If you're really health conscious, you can remove the extra fat just like this. Just cut it. For the honey garlic, you will need garlic paste and a chili paste. If you don't have this chili paste or any chili paste, use Sriracha sauce, but do add it. You know, it's gonna give the flavor to your thighs. 1 whole tablespoon of the chili paste. Here is the garlic paste, homemade. A handful of garlic. Put some water in there and blend in your blender juicer. 3 tablespoons of the garlic. Half tablespoon of the salt. Honey. Use raw filtered honey. Make it 3 whole tablespoons. This is indoor grill recipe. It should be awesome. 1, 2, and 3. 3 tablespoons of the extra virgin in the dark bottle olive oil. Just a little tiny touch. A 1/4 tablespoon of the black pepper. Basic ingredients, and that's what it is. We will use our beautiful hands. It's an instant recipe. So our delicious thighs are completely marinated. So easy to do, right? These are honey garlic chicken thighs and they are completely marinated. Let's cook these guys up now. We'll put the meat on the bamboo skewers right here. Here is our indoor grill. We will turn it on, put it on the grill. We'll put it at 500 and the time will be 15 minutes. Let's turn this on. It's on the pre. In the meantime, we'll put the meat on the skewers. So I'm taking 2 of them. So it's gonna have at least a strong base, and just put the meat on the skewers. Very easy thing to do. And spread it out a little bit evenly, just like that, from both sides, from the center. So this is how it's looking. This is how it's gonna be. Delicious honey garlic thighs are ready. You can bake this recipe as well. Here you go. Try to do the zigzag form, it's much better. So you put the meat from here and then you press the meat from the top, it brings it out, and here you go. They're gonna be so tender. 2 beautiful honey garlic chicken thighs skewers are ready. Indoor grill is ready. Our delicious honey garlic chicken thighs are ready. You can bake this recipe as well. You know, put your oven at 500 degree and follow the same time frame. 15 minutes will do the job for you. We are using indoor grill. This is the back side of the thighs and this is the front shiny side of the thighs. Put the shiny side first in here. They are looking yum. Let's close the lid. We have 15 minutes to go at 500 degree. After 8 minutes, we will do a flip. You know, we will just flip our thighs. It's very easy work. 8 minutes are gone at 500 degree. Let's open this beauty. Yum, looking yum. Let's flip these guys up. So here's the first flip. Look at this beauty. The glaze of honey on it. Close the lid. We have 8 more minutes to go for this delicious, sweet, a little bit spicy and garlicky chicken thigh. Easy to make, under 20 minutes of your time. 15 minutes later. Ooh, it's looking good. a perfect char on it. Deliciously done. Take honey and present it like this to your guests. Honey garlic chicken thighs. Make it in 20 minutes. 5 minutes is the prep time. Cook time 20 minutes. Enjoy time 1 hour. Enjoy these delicious. Let's do a taste test. So which one should I pick? The nearest one. It has the glaze of honey. So wonderful. You will forget teriyaki chicken. It has the crunch. The honey has the crunch. And the garlic flavor. Man, they are so tender. It's all about this glaze. Wow, it's honey. Make this recipe, have this as a snack, have this as a whole meal. You can have some white rice with it. Trust me, by itself, this flavor is bomb. Wow. If you're running a business, you will sell these guys out so fast. This is yummalicious. Honey garlic chicken thigh skewers.